I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Chrome and checking that the app is up to date. This avoids UI differences. Once done, tap the Tabs button at the bottom right. It shows a number inside a square. Make sure you can spot Incognito tabs by the darker theme and the spy icon. This tells you which windows are private. Now get ready to close them. You'll either close single tabs or the entire Incognito group depending on what you see. You can remove one tab at a time. Tap the Incognito tab preview to bring it forward, then swipe left across the preview to close it quickly. If you prefer tapping, hit the small X on the tab thumbnail when it appears. Make sure to scan the tab carousel after each close so you don't leave hidden Incognito previews. Closing them one by one ensures cookies and pages from that session are removed. Once finished, confirm no Incognito thumbnails remain. To end the entire private session quickly, open the Incognito tab overview and tap Close all Incognito tabs. This clears every private page at once. If you don't see that option, close each tab manually as before or restart Chrome to force the private windows to end. If Incognito tabs stubbornly persist, make sure Chrome is updated, then force close the app and relaunch. That typically clears UI glitches. If problems continue, reboot your iPhone and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.